everybody, this is Leslie from Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, I'd really appreciate it. This is going to be part 2 of our Costco basket unboxing, the gift we got from my sister and brother-in-law. I'll go ahead and put part 1 in the description box below in case you missed it. I hope you enjoy.
Why don't I try it on a cracker? That may have cleared my allergies.
Okay, what one do you want to try it on? Go.
Okay, what is this one
Don't
called?
you be double dipping.
That's true, I should not double dip.
Use your fork.
I
need a drink.
Here.
He's going for
I'm going to do a Nan Crisp.
There you
go. Right here. Give it a little
dip.
A little dip in this mustard. I'm not going to go too far.
How is it?
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good. Thumbs up. Okay, so there's like a plastic thing I'm taking off of here. Oh, this is the basket that everything was sitting on, and it had like this board. And the board comes off, and I'm pretty sure is meant to like cut the salami over there. Don't you think that's the theme we're going for here?
Looks like
this is actually a very, very freaking cute cutting board, and I'll probably save it to like, because I like to do little cheese, as you know in other videos. Let me say it again. We like cheese and cracker platters.
Yeah, we do.
So that's how that will happen. However, I will say, when you look inside this, I mean, not that there isn't plenty in here, because there sure is, but this is filler. It's like a styrofoam filler thing, like how many inches? I don't know how many.
I was going to unwrap
what she said, right?
Wow. I have to get bolder.
That's right. This is made for kids, so we can.
So probably don't eat this.
So don't assume this basket right here is completely full, but there is quite, I don't know what my sister spent on this either, but there's quite a lot of stuff in it already, and we still have quite a few more things. You know what? You could put your little stuff in the basket to go on a little picnic or something, or to someone's house, like for the Super Bowl or something. Put all the things in here, put your cutting board on top, and then you have little handles, and you can walk in like this. You're all set.
Right.
Whew. I like that part, Darce. That you could have just got me that and called it a gift. I would have been a happy girl. Tea! Isn't this all inclusive? See, Randy got coffee and I got tea. So
we'll have to try those together, maybe.
This is this is muling spices, but is it tea? No, it's just 2 spice bags that we could add to.
We do like that.
Yeah, actually, I'm like going. It says it's got cinnamon, orange peel, cloves, allspice, and natural flavor. And boy, do I want to stick this in maybe some wine.
Yeah, we did that before from some
apple cider.
Yeah, wine that we got at the winery in Traverse City.
Yes, smoked Gouda. I already know I like this. So there's some smoked Gouda, guys.
Can't go wrong with that.
No.
No.
Do I want to open? I don't want to open this. We do.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't even tease.
Oh, it's like a cream cheese smoked Gouda, which I'm not against.
Gouda.
Oh, and there's stuff in it. Hand me something.
All right. So, what do you want? A Nan cracker? Or do you want a
this one?
Okay, artisan round.
Yeah, the artisan one.
So we're gonna opt for the artisan round.
Okay.
Here you go.
Okay, so spreading it on there is very buttery. This is what it looked like on. Okay, that's what it looked like on the inside.
Really good.
All right, ready? Do you want one?
Yeah.
Okay, get going. What am I getting his cracker ready? I think not.
You were fancy with the fork.
I did feed you the one time. I can see where you get confused.
Here we go.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow. Very good.
Oh yeah.
That'll be gone before the sundown.
Yeah. That's really good, guys.
Right.
All right.
Very good.
St. German Authentic Spanish Style Tapes, a savory mix of red peppers, carrots, green olives, and green beans. Oh, let's open it.
Okay.
Because he loves olives. I don't enjoy the olives, but I enjoy the other things in here. So let's see. Probably put it on crackers and stuff. So let's get a cracker. I'm going to grab some of the pepper out. So I grabbed a pepper.
Okay.
and put it on my cracker. It's like a little cracker party, and that's what my sister knows about me. I enjoy a cracker party.
I'm gonna do an olive.
Oh, hello.
Very good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. That's a winner.
Very good.
That is a winner.
Mm-hmm.
I might even like the olives in that.
I could even put that on like a burger.
I want to try carrot.
I'm trying to think of all the uses for this.
I would eat it just plain.
Right.
Does that make me weird?
No.
Because I'm going to shove this carrot in my mouth.
Wow.
Plain. I want a cracker. Are you ready?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
Oh, that's really good. Okay, so we're going to open and try this. This is Tresemme truffles.
Okay.
Oh, it's the chocolate. The picture threw me off.
Right.
So it's just the truffle. I'm like, that's not what a truffle looks like. So that flavor is supposed to be in the truffle. Oh, there's one for you. Cute. There's two in there and one for me. So, you know, they're truffle form. Cheers.
All right.
A big truffle.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's sweet. Mm-hmm.
Well,
Listen, if you love sweet things.
very rich.
Wow. It's very sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna need my water. I'm gonna take a drink now. Woo! But
Well,
if you are a person that loves frosting,
or if you have a friend you don't like that much.
no, people like sweets though.
That was
We're not much of a sweet eaters.
Probably
people.
don't
He's
eat it.
more than I am, but we're not.
Probably don't eat it all at once. That was probably bad.
Ooh, okay.
Wow.
A golden walnut flavored cookies, and they're cute. They're like little walnuts. They look like little walnuts. I mean, that's an actual that's an actual walnut. This is the cookie emulating a walnut.
Good.
So since our last thing, we're gonna try it. I will say this, Darce. That's my sister's name, and I didn't know she watches these, but she does. She commented, so now I know her jig's up. She's a busy lady.
Overall, it's a really nice basket.
Very nice. I'm happy with it. Honestly, the little carrying thing with the
Yeah.
cutting board on top, I will use that forever. I love that.
Seems really high
So
quality.
look, it's like a little walnut. Here you go. Here's your little walnut cookie.
Okay.
Oh, and it's not, I thought it was frosted, but no, it's just like imprinted on like a walnut. Okay, here we go.
All right, here we go.
Wait, cheers before we're good.
Okay.
Nice crumbly. Okay, so you know how the truffle chocolate was way crazy sweet? This is not sweet at all. Like, this is different.
Yeah, kind of bland.
It's like those baby cookies that you're shoving. At least I did when my kids were babies in the grocery store. It would be a hot mess. Those Gerber ones, you know, those baby biscuits, and it'd be all over their face. What was your very favorite thing out of everything?
Oh,
Very favorite.
The smoked Gouda dip.
So the smoked Gouda dip was his
awesome.
favorite. This
and
one.
I actually am excited to make this dip here too.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll love it. So this was Randy's very favorite thing in there.
Very good.
And then this tapa, the Spanish style tapa, was my absolute favorite thing. So if this is sold at Costco, I don't know, or if it's sold anywhere else, pick this up. It is so really good. And then this, it's Glacier Ridge Farms, the smoke Gouda. Very, very good. So probably pick those up if you're out and about.
Right.
So thanks so much for watching us. If this does end up being 2 videos, video 1 will be posted Wednesday, video 2, or today. Obviously, you guys aren't psychic. So we posted today, and then part 2, if there is a part 2, will be posted Friday, and I guess you'll find out tomorrow when you watch this. So thanks for helping me, Randy.
All right, you're welcome.
All right, guys, peace out.
We'll see ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.